We all love diamonds, but ever wondered where they came from? The beautiful precious metal finds its origin in India. Yes, and not only that, our country remained its only producer until the 17th century and the dominant producer until the 18th century. From famous diamonds such as Kohinoor to Great Mogul Diamond, India had it all. Talking about the origin of diamonds, they were first found in 4th century BC, and the very first places where they were mined were in the Godavari Delta region. India was the only place where diamonds were found until the 1730s. People used diamond for many things. They wore them as jewelry, used them to cut things, and even believed that they brought them good luck in battles. There was a place called the Golconda mines that was the main place where diamonds were found until the 18th century. They found famous diamonds like Kohinoor, the Hope Diamond. These diamonds were worn by kings and queens all over the world. Even though Golconda wasn't close to where the diamonds were found, it became very famous for diamonds because it was on a big trade route from the mines to the south and east. People started calling diamonds from Golconda Golconda diamonds, and in Europe, saying something was like Golconda meant it was really valuable. You might wonder, how did diamonds get to Europe? Well, it didn't take any long for the West to find out about this special metal. Back in 327 BC, Alexander the Great, a king from Greece, went to North India and brought some diamonds back with him. But even after that, India was still the main place to find diamonds until they were discovered in Brazil in 1726 and later Africa in 1870. Then in the 1850s, England took over India and took lots of diamonds from Indian temples and royal families. They sent these diamonds to England, and from there they were sold to other European countries like France, Spain and Italy. One of the biggest diamonds ever found, the Kohinoor, was taken from India by the British in 1304, and now it's part of the British crown jewels. Over time, diamond mining in India slowed down because they ran out of diamonds in the places they knew about, and also because places like Brazil and Africa started finding diamonds too. Diamond mining still happens today, but there aren't as many diamonds to find as before. Most of the places where they are found are in Madhya Pradesh, especially in area the Panna region. There are also few in Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, but not as many. India is still the best at cutting and polishing diamonds. Actually, 92% of all the diamonds in the world are cut and polished in India, mostly in a city called Surat in Gujarat. Right now, the countries that produce the most diamonds are Russia and Botswana, followed by Australia, Congo, Canada, and South Africa. For more interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.